Maple Lime Bourbon Sour. Take one.
Hi, everybody. This is Reed behind the bar.
I am Reed, and this is Kelly.
On the other side of the bar.
Other side of the bar. My favorite customer. But sometimes she's a mixologist, too.
Sometimes I am.
Anyway.
This weekend is the Kentucky Derby. Nobody can go watch it.
Nope, you're not going to the Kentucky Derby.
You're not going, we're not going. We're not even wearing the hats.
Oh, I don't wear the hats anyway. But you might watch it on TV, and you might see people, on Zoom or something enjoying a cocktail with bourbon in it.
Yeah, and we do celebrate the bourbon part of the Kentucky Derby. So, what do people normally drink?
Well, one of the really popular drinks at Kentucky Derby, everybody does the mint julep, right? And that's not a bad drink. The mint julep, really easy though. I hate to even take the time to show. It's just some mint leaves and some sugar and some bourbon, and you shake it over ice. Hey, good cocktail, really easy. In fact, we probably even would have made it, except our mint died.
Our mint totally died.
We don't have any more mint.
Yeah. So, but we did have a lot of limes.
We had a lot of limes, and we were up in New York, and we picked up some maple syrup, and so we're going to make a maple lime bourbon sour, which is a interesting take on our bourbon drink, and I think you'll like. I think you'll like it a lot.
I am willing to try it. I am open-minded.
You're open-minded. I'm so happy to hear that. So, okay, 4 ingredients.
Okay, go.
Bourbon.
Bourbon.
Maple syrup.
I see it.
Lime juice.
I see it.
And bitters.
Wait till you see his new juicer. He got a new juicer. He's very excited
I'm juicing
about
everything
this.
now. So what are you going to do to make this particular drink? First, put some ice in a shaker.
There we go.
All right. We're using this bourbon. We've used it before. It's from Patapsco Distillery in Maryland, and Maryland has lots of fine horses as well as lots of fine distilleries.
And apparently we also have Bigfoot, and that's what this bourbon is named after.
Yeah.
This is Bigfoot bourbon.
I wonder who win in a race between Bigfoot and a horse.
Only you would think of that.
Well, it's just horse racing. Okay, so use 1.5 ounces of bourbon. So that's a 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of lime. Now, because I have
the
new juicer, and also I don't really have a good measuring cup for lime for to measure an ounce or 1/2 ounce. So use about 1/2 a lime. Okay, maybe it's a little more, maybe it's a little less, but let's say 1/2 a lime's worth of juice.
Yeah, no, that's significant lime juice.
That's a lot of lime juice right there. So it might be a limey bourbon.
But then it'll counterbalance with the
1/2 ounce. I'm going to put this as easy. I'm going to 1/2 ounce of maple syrup.
Yeah, so we got this maple syrup. We got this maple syrup from Trader Joe's. We usually get our maple syrup from the Adirondacks in upstate New York, where we're from. Very good. Go.
It is. Okay, 2 shakes of bitters. All right, that is everything. Now we're going to give it a shake.
Looks kind of interesting.
Gotta shake it pretty well because syrup. Oh yeah, you're rocking out over there, huh? Rocking out on the rocks. Right. All right. Now
it smells good. I can smell it from here.
Yeah. So now
strain it.
We're gonna strain it, but we gotta have something to strain it into. So we're gonna take one of these.
And we have these great big, huge,
giant
fancy ice cubes.
All right. So let's see how this goes.
These are exciting.
There we go. Oh, wait a second.
I see
Can't
some more
serve
in
it without
there.
being pretty. Well, that's probably watered down. You don't want to have the dregs there. No. Okay. Look at that. This is a nice looking drink. This is a nice looking little bourbon cocktail.
It's very pretty. Okay.
Let's give it a try.
It smells really good. Okay, the lime is going to hit my nose. Ooh. Oh, no, I like this a lot.
Can I try it?
No.
But I want to try it. Oh, jeez.
Make your own.
Okay. I like that. Here's why. I don't love bourbon, but I kind of like bourbon. And this doesn't hide the taste, but it just takes that edge off enough that I could really love this drink. That's a delicious drink.
Yeah, it's really yummy. Yummy. I see only 2 of these in my future, though, because it's potent.
It's pretty strong. All right.
Proceed with caution.
I'm going to make one for myself. I hope that you'll watch this video, like the video, follow us, and let us know what you think.
Share it.
Yes, absolutely. Share it.
Please. All right, everybody. Bye.
Have
Until
a good
next
one.
time, happy Kentucky Derby.
Yes.